Hello everybody, this is Francisco Martinez for Java 2, and this is week 1's project. So we were supposed to add fragments into a landscape mode for the app. We also had to add an API so that it can go online and get information from the API. Now, I don't have it set up as far as the API goes, and um, everything else kind of works. This is the fragments that I have here. I'll explain later why nothing's not working for me right now. Um, but so far it does, as you can see, it is in landscape, and as you can see, if somebody was to select something here, they can actually see what's on. Like these are pretty much weapons, exotic weapons from Destiny, because I just started playing it. There is a search thing here, but it doesn't work very well. Well, it doesn't work at all. Now, the reason why everything's not working very well is because Android Studio doesn't seem to be working well with me. A perfect example of this is when I tried to do a commit to my GitHub. And as you can see, it goes through. And here's my GitHub, but when I refresh, there is nothing there. Nothing is being added right now. I don't know what's going on. This is actually like the 4th time I am redoing this assignment. Every time I try and do it, there's always an issue, and then I have to redo the whole thing because something is going on with the software. I don't know why. But either way, I have the fragments here. Just have this. Alright, so this is where one side of the fragment is. That's this side. And this is the other side, which is the list. So yeah, setting up the fragments was not hard at all. I thought it was going to be hard. I found a nice little tutorial on lynda.com for it, and I realized it was not that hard. It was actually pretty simple enough to put together. If there's too much work to it, it's probably just like you have to add more layout, you have to add more like different Java files and stuff like that. But other than that, it's not really all that tough. It's just, like I said, Android Studio was just not working with me for some reason. It's been really, really frustrating to work with this software, and I don't know what's going on. And mind you, I did not do the update. The update is sitting here and waiting. There is something wrong with the software with me right now. I may have to redo the project once again to make sure that everything works correctly. So I don't know. I don't know what happened to it. But yes, other than that, that was the biggest challenge of this whole week, was trying to make Android Studio itself work. Everything else is fine. I can get everything else done. It's just this. I don't know why it's doing this. So yeah, great start to the week, I guess. Great start to the month. Hopefully things get better. I say great start to the month because at least I have a functioning app that actually does stuff. So I actually feel better about it. As you can see, it still does things that I'm actually happy about. So hopefully when the next project is due, everything will be set up better, as well as whatever we need to add on to the assignment. I hope you guys were able to get through this. I hope you guys aren't dealing with the same problems that I am with Android Studio. And you have a good night.